Good morning, my dear students. Students, today we are going to continue with the chapter Southern Plateaus. As you already know that Southern Plateaus are divided into two equal parts by Narmada River. It is divided into Central Highlands and Deccan Plateaus. And the Central Highlands are further divided into Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Here, let's talk about Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau lies exactly in the center and is surrounded by Aravalli Hills, Vindhya Range and Chota Nagpur towards the east side. Central Highlands is rich in black soil, which is good to grow crops like cotton and sugarcane. The states of Jharkhand, northern Odisha and northern eastern Chhattisgarh, all three lies in Chota Nagpur Plateau. Also, the Satpura range lies between the Narmada and Tapi river. You see, rivers like Chambal, Batwa and Son, these flow through Central Highlands. Also, the rivers Ganga and Yamuna join them from the south. Let's talk about Deccan Plateau. This lies to the south of Satpura range and extended to southern peninsular tip of India. Also, it is surrounded by the eastern and western घाट जो नीलगिरी hills पर जाकर मिलते हैं. The river Godavari is longest river in Deccan Plateau. Most of these rivers flow into Bay of Bengal, and the river like Narmada and Tapi both flow western side, that is towards the west, and flow into the Arabian Sea. Let's talk about the life in Southern Plateau. Here we are going to talk about the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. All these states lie in the Southern Plateau. Maharashtra lies in the northwest part of Deccan Plateau. You know, the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. People speak Marathi and Konkani languages. The river Godavari and Krishna originates from here. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh lies to the south of Chota Nagpur Plateau. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur, and Bhilai is name of a place which is very famous for the steel plant, or we can say steel industry. Odisha. Odisha lies in the southeast of Chhattisgarh. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha, and Cuttack is an important city because it is famous for the industrial area. Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Some of the important cities of Jharkhand are Jamshedpur, Bokaro and Dhanbad. River Damodar flows through this state. Andhra Pradesh. Amravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. People speak Telugu language here. The Godavari and Krishna river are the main rivers that flow through this state. Karnataka. Karnataka on the map lies to the south of Maharashtra. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. You know, Bangalore is very famous IT center of India. Mysore and Mangaluru are also two other important cities. Telangana. Telangana lies in the east of Maharashtra. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Here people speak Telugu and Urdu. Hyderabad is very important city. It is tourist place. The last state of Deccan Plateau is Tamil Nadu. The southernmost state of India it is, as you see on the map of India, it is the southernmost state of our country. Chennai is the capital of the city. The state is famous for many beautiful temples and it is also tourist place. Bharatnatyam is the classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. And Kanchipuram is also famous place for silk sarees. Thank you.